Like you can just choose how that would look. Yeah. She looked like Marceline when she pop a bean and she rock with me. I pull up to the scene.
Titik mo lang, Sarah.
Eh?
Mainit yung kanan. Tangina, tara, palamigin natin. Papalamigin namin yung kanin. Tara. Mainit yung kanin. Mainit o mainit. Ayan o, palamigin.